eye looks and you'll get all the details. On the screen, she's sharing all the brushes she used during the process. And for the hues, we'll tell you all about them. Always start first with the transition hue to help build the eye look. Disperse it all over the eyelid. Start to deepen the hues a bit with a darker brown on the outer corner. Continue to blend while the eyeshadows melt into one another. Use black gel liner and a thin brush to line the upper lash line. And an angled brush to draw on the wing. Fill in the outline with the gel. Define the wing with concealer and a flat brush. Smoke out the lower lash line with the same brown hue. Continue until it is fully dispersed on the lash line. Such a gorgeous eye look! Move on to the next look with another transition hue. This time, apply the deeper shade along the crease line. Blend it out from the inner corner to the outer one. Use a flat brush and concealer to carve out the crease. Bring the concealer all the way to the outer corner. After that, add a soft brown over the concealer and then cut the crease line with shimmer. This just makes the look super extravagant. The wing as well. This turned out absolutely stunning!